Everybody. I don't know about you, but sometimes coming back from time off, whether that's an extended weekend or an actual vacation, can feel like a bit of a hard landing. So I wanted to share some tips with you based on my personal experience, really, and coaching people as well, on how to have a softer landing when you come back from taking time off, which is so important for your well-being. So first, do a weekly review, either the day before you go or 2 days before you go, just to feel like you're totally clear, current, in control. You know what's not going to get done when you unhook. That's an easy one. Second is set expectations with your team. I find that people don't always do that, and then they feel like, are people expecting me to respond to email, respond to voicemails, respond to these texts? So set expectations. What does that look like with your team? Are you going to be completely unhooking? Are you going to check a few times a day? Is it only for emergencies? Just set expectations of what that looks like. And if you have any backup, make that clear. The third one is something to do ahead of time, but it will help you when you come back, is block the morning you come back for extra processing time. Over the years, when I've heard people say they got off track, fell off the wagon with GTD, so often it's because they went on vacation, they came back, and they never dug back out from vacation. So knowing that you're going to have more to process when you come back, lots of things have happened, you're not going to be as hooked in, you will kind of have to go, what happened? What are all the things I need to get up and current with? Give yourself extra processing time. If I normally allow myself, say, half an hour to get my inbox to zero in the morning, I'll make that 2 hours after I come back from vacation. I'll block that morning as much as I can to really make sure that I'm going to have enough time to get back current, feel like I'm not just hitting the ground running, that I do have that time to kind of get my bearings. And the final one is just be really, really good to yourself. Be kind to yourself when you come back. There's often people say, I'm so hooked in before I go, and you don't think you're going to be able to unhook. Well, then you did. You took a nice vacation or even a long weekend. So just know it can take time to get back into it. And that's a good thing. Your mind let go. So do a mind sweep, be kind to yourself, block that extra time, set those expectations, and hopefully that will give you some softer landing when you take that much deserved time off.